Welcome to 4134 Epanow Avenue. This beautifully rebuilt, single-level 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home sits on a desirable canyon lot and offers 1,864 square feet of stylish and comfortable living in San Diego. Located on 13,100 square feet lot, 0.3 acres. This open-concept floor plan seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an inviting space for everyday living and entertaining. The updated kitchen features sleek cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and ample workspace. The spacious primary suite offers direct access to the backyard, a private deck, a generous walk-in closet, and a beautifully appointed bathroom with dual vanities and a large walk-in shower. All 3 bedrooms are generously sized. Large sliding glass doors open to a private, low-maintenance backyard with artificial turf, creating an ideal indoor-outdoor living space. A 1-car garage and 3-car driveway provide convenient parking.